Happy late 4th of July to you guys. Hey, for a special video today, I found a trailer that just came in. It's under 30 feet long and it has a front kitchen. Let's check this one out. This is a Forest River Longitude from east to west, 5,900 pounds dry. You're gonna get a nice big pass-through storage here. You are able to control your awning through a switch there in the pass-through storage. Move that door out the way. So really convenient that you don't have to walk into the coach to open up the awning. You could just hit that switch right there and leave it out to your desired length. 5,900 pounds dry means that this is going to be able to be towed with even some SUVs, right? A Durango or Tahoe Suburbans, right? Going to open you up on what kind of tow vehicles you can tow. And check out this storage space. Most trailers that you see that has a big compartment here in the rear will have like an outside kitchen, but they decided to dedicate this as storage for you, which I really like that they did. Tankless hot water heater, so you have on-demand hot water the whole time you're taking a shower. And let's dive into the coach. So you have a front kitchen here with all the kitchen amenities you need. 3-burner stovetop, microwave down there. Really nice, fancy faucet here. I think when you put this sideways, it kind of has like a waterfall feature on it, so that's pretty cool. Window in the front, so you can look at your campsite while you're camping. And look at this, you have your 10 cubic foot electric refrigerator here, sitting next to the entry door. Look at this, you actually get a speaker that comes with your trailer, and this speaker, you are able to connect it right there under the TV. So I think that gives you the ability to sync it to the TV so that everything on the TV comes out of the speaker, increasing that sound quality. A little bit of storage under the TV. You have an electric fireplace, and sitting across from all that, you have 2 recliners here on a single slide out. So I think that's why they were able to keep the weight down on this trailer. This slide out doesn't have a pantry and a fridge and a bunch of stuff. It's just for the recliners, which I think is the main reason why this has a lower weight than expected. Medicine cabinet, vanity storage, stool, more linen storage here in the bathroom, and you get a corner radial shower there. About 6 feet 3 inches, 6 feet 4 inches of height there in that corner shower with a pocket door for privacy. Window here in the hallway. And what I think is so unique about this one is you get an east to west bed, but there's no slide out. So this orientation feels like this would be a slide out on most trailers, but it isn't. You get storage kind of there in the corners on either side. You get little closet storages next to the bed to be able to hang up some clothes, little side drawer for all of your valuables, window over your bed, plenty of shelf space above the bed as well. You have a window here, a spot to mount a TV kind of up in that corner, and you have plenty of space. I mean, look how much space you get underneath this bed. The storage in here is ridiculous. Last thing we're going to touch on here on the driver's side, if you open up this pass-through storage compartment, you can see all of your hookups here, and more importantly, all your hookups, your water hookups at least, have to go through this hole. So that actually goes up underneath the coach, up through there and connected there, which means that when you're at the campsite, you close this and you lock your slam closed latch, nobody is able to access your water connection to jimmy it or mess with it in any way, which I really like. And you get a little GFCI here as well. So if you need to plug something in here next to the campsite, charge an e-bike, whatever, you have the ability to do so, which I really like. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this travel trailer, the features, the amenities, the layout, the fact that it's only 28 2.5 feet long. If you need any more information on this, specs, pricing, details, all that fun stuff, my phone number is 760-559-6103. I'm going to have a link to my website down in the description box below if you want to get pre-approved for financing or set up an appointment with us, as well as a link to this trailer in particular. If you want to come see this in person, we're located at Family RV in Ontario, California. We're right off the 15 freeway off of the Harupa exit. So come in and ask for Victor. I'd be happy to help you out. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get in front of as many RV families like yourself as I can. Like the video, and again, leave a comment so that we can get boosted in that YouTube algorithm. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.